you are alone and you decide. I broke into